one with Valentine's this year. The whole Valentine collection is, baby, just take my whole purse. Well, I don't know about the whole purse, but you know what I'm saying. Take the whole wallet. Maybe not the wallet, because it might be a luxury wallet that costs more than the Bath & Body Works stuff, but take the money that's in the wallet. This year, the Valentine's collection is amazing. They gave us 3 different scents this year, so I'm sure everybody could find something. Sweetheart Cherry, Strawberry Pound Cake, and Rose Vanilla, my all-time favorite. Leave down in the comments which one is your favorite. I am actually really loving all of the packaging. I think my favorite packaging has to be the I kind of want to say Rose Vanilla, but for some reason I'm really feeling Strawberry Pound Cake. So leave it down in the comments. Let me know which one you pick. Also, with the Rose Vanilla, I don't think they have a candle that's included inside that collection, but with the other 2 scents you can get it in 3 wicks. So leave in the comments, let me know which one is your favorite pick. The Rose Vanilla, oh my goodness. And then they came out with the perfume inside the letter, the envelope. Oh, and the packaging is so good. Oh my god. Like I said, it looks like it's in an envelope, like a love letter. Oh, it's so good. Do you remember the packaging for Valentine's 2024? Let's do a really quick Valentine's flashback of 2024, y'all. What part was your favorite? Is this year better than last year? Leave that in the comments. This year, Valentine at Bath & Body Works is what it always is, y'all. Strawberry pound cake. Every year they do strawberry pound cake for Valentine's. So they have it in everything now, y'all. I am really feeling the packaging. I love this packaging, but I don't know if I really want to get strawberry pound cake. I'm just saying, you know, strawberry pound cake is out with every collection. So I'm not sure. Now this lip gloss, if you tried that lip gloss, leave that down in the comments. Is it more like a lip balm or is it more of just lip gloss, like a shine? So leave that down in the comments, because on the next sale I most definitely would love to grab that if it's more of a lip balm versus a shiny lip gloss. So leave down in the comments, let me know, how do you feel about Bath & Body Works Valentine collection this year? Also, they did add an additional scent to the Valentine collection, and that's Sweetheart Cherry. Yes, this is the first year that Sweetheart Cherry scent has been released. Leave in the comments, let me know, what do you think about it? Now, I really love this 3-wick candle sleeve. Oh, it is so nice, and you can get it with rewards, so that's gonna be on my wish list, and I think I'm gonna grab that, even though I don't usually grab the sleeves, but I do like this one. So leave in the comments, do you like this sleeve? Leave that down in the comments, y'all. I don't like it with that candle, but I do love the way that it looks. I love that. So the Valentine collection is in Bath & Body Works. What do y'all think about it? Bath & Body Works is collabing with Sweetheart Cherries, the candy. It should be out in stores very soon.
Yeah, that spring. Shout out to the Bath & Body Works person who came up with this idea, who made this collab happen. Shout out to the marketing team. Y'all did y'all big one. You did your big one because you did things right. Just saying. They did their big one with this. They did pretty good. They did pretty good. Even though it is, you know, even though it's repackaging, y'all know anytime they do this specialty packaging, you're gonna pay for that packaging. So the fact that they kept it where we could still get the items with rewards and get the fancy packaging, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. They did a good job. I'm loving every part of it. And I'm gonna let y'all go. Shout out to my MVP riders. Thank you for holding your girl down. Thank you for holding your girl all the way down. I truly do appreciate it. But yes, thank you for always supporting me. Thank you if you came straight into the stream and you hit that thumbs up button. I truly do appreciate it. You a real one for that. So thank you for that. Also, thank you, MVP Riders, for always supporting your girl no matter what I put out. You know, streams, a walkthrough, whatever. If I'm ranting, got to get this off my chest. Y'all always here for you, girl. I truly appreciate it. Have an amazing day. Happy shopping, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. All right. Peace.